Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic 2 Pro camera issues, official response. We'll have that coming right up. As you're aware, Cliff Totten brought to light a resolution issue with two videos regarding the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Well, yesterday, DroneDJ received an official response from DJI. I'm going to go ahead and put the first slide up on the screen. The article's called Mavic 2 Pro uses pixel binding or line skipping. Here's DJI's official answer. I'm going to go ahead and put the next slide on the screen here. We had a few questions for them, including whether the Mavic 2 Pro would be able to shoot 4K video at 60 FPS. Also, whether overheating played a role. We did not get answers on all our questions, but DJI did say this, and this is quote, this is from DJI. Mavic 2 Pro uses a different processor than P4P and has two 4K modes, as stated on the product page, which are FOV mode and HQ mode. FOV mode has a wider view, but less details than HQ mode. FOV mode's image processing requires raw subsampling, which scales 5.5K RAW into 4K RAW before feeding it into the image processing pipeline. Raw subsampling is different from line skipping. It uses the full area of the 16.9 portion of the image sensor, so the signal-noise ratio is much better than line skipping. Raw subsampling is also different from pixel binding. It is an optimized filtering and sampling process, which is much more advanced than the simple average mechanism of pixel binding. Raw subsampling causes some loss in the finest details. However, this is not as visible in real scenes like aerial filming as it is on charts. DJI looked into many solutions for implementing FOV and found that the current FOV mode is the best compromise for the Mavic 2 hardware. Please remember the Mavic 2 is an extremely complex and compact piece of hardware. The current solution represents the best possible way to enable filming using the full 1-inch sensor wide-angle area FOV on the Mavic 2 hardware, end quote. Now I'm going to read DroneDJ's take. Quote, so according to DJI, the 4K video quality or lack thereof in FOV is not due to overheating or a marketing decision. It is a result of the complexity and hardware restrictions that are inherent to developing such a capable, small, folding drone. DJI does not mention this having played any part in the delay of the Mavic 2's launch. Whether or not this is the whole story, it is DJI's official answer. And what I wanted to do here at this point, I have 3 items in note that I wanted to go over with you. Number one, I wanted to bring this up because I wanted to make you aware of DJI's official response. Quite a few of you may not be subscribed to DroneDJ or may not have heard this, but again, this is their official response in an email that was sent to DroneDJ. Number 2, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro is still a drone worthy of your consideration. And number 3, DJI Phantom 4 Pro will give you better video performance in a larger drone. Question of the day. What do you think of DJI's response? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.